Today I'm going to be testing the Wax Planet Outbreak wheel cleaner on this Discovery here. As you can see, the wheels aren't in bad condition, just quite dirty. The whole vehicle's in really good condition. It's not that old, to be honest, so we're going to be giving it a good detail as well. I've done the interior already. It's gorgeous now. So what I'm going to do is actually just give this a quick test in this short video. Basically, for the best results, it says you have to spray the wheels down first, give them a good rinse first, which we'll do. Then you spray this on liberally, agitate with a brush, and then rinse off. It says also you can use one of their other products as well, which is like a fallout remover to remove any baked on contaminants. But we'll see what this is like first. So first of all, we'll set you up on the tripod, and we'll rinse the wheels off and give it a go. So just use the Karcher just to jet wash all the loose dirt off. I'll go under the arches as well, clear all that off as well. I'll give it a bit of a shake, and then I'll liberally spray it on. This is just a tester I actually got from Because Race Car Box, as you may have seen in the other video. So I'll give this a good spray all over. Try and get all the spokes, get in the barrel as well. I know it's a sample, but the trigger's not fantastic. As you get the bigger size, you probably get the proper full trigger. Leave that for a few minutes. I'm going to give it an agitate with my wheel brush and my barrel brush. Let that dwell for a few minutes. For an actual wheel cleaner, it's got a really nice smell. Actually, it's not overpowering. Give it a bit of an agitate and a bit of a clean. Like that, and the barrel brush. I'll probably go over this with the snow foam as well when I actually do the rest of the car. So I like to do the wheels first, just to give them an extra clean, make sure I haven't missed any little areas. Okay, let's give that a rinse. clean, pretty good. Really nice inside. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go over with the troller's breath. This is by Pro Clean, just a little contaminant remover. Now this stuff does stink. Oh my gosh, is it all. Leave that for 5 minutes. It should go purple and pull all the iron deposits out if there's any in there. And we give that another agitate with the brushes and rinse it off. Final rinse. Yes, it's going to need a coat of wax, but it's got all the contaminants off and the dirt off. Like I said, I will go over the snow foam again, just to, and then with the detail brush to all the little bits, just to make sure there's no dirt left on there. Yeah, I think it was £3, reduced down from about 5 or 6 for a sample, so pretty good really. So worth using. Smells quite nice as well. Yeah, barrels look nice and clean. Excellent. I'll give you a closer look. You can see the wheels are still wet, but clean inside the barrels quite nicely. I will actually give them a good shampoo and with the snow foam and a good wax, and I'll show you when they're completed. But again, for a cheap product, pretty good. So all finished. A quick coat of wax just on the rim, just to improve the gloss level, and a little bit of tyre goo on the tyres, of course. I think you'll agree, it came out quite nice. So it's not a bad little product. It's probably comparable to everything else, but quite an easy little test really. So if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you on the next one.